Hello and welcome back to DaveTech. In today's quick video, I'll show you how to install apps not on Play Store. This will be on the Chromecast.
Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Fire Stick, or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection, and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video.
Let's get started. So we're going to be hopping over to step 1, where we would enable developers options. This will enable us download and install apps from unknown sources and download and install unknown apps. From there, we'll proceed to using a browser of choice to download and install an APK file and then install it to Chromecast. So that will be a 2-step process. And by end of that process, we'll be able to do this without the Play Store. So you can download and install apps without the Play Store. So let's head into the video. We're going to do step 1. We're going to go to quick settings, all settings, and then navigate down to system. So from system, we'll go to about and click on the build number 7 times. So find the build number below, click on it 7 times. And that enables developers option. So when developer option is enabled, you can download and install apps from unknown sources. From there, you're going to go to any browser of choice. So I can use a browser app. You can also use maybe Chrome or any other browser of choice. Now, when in the browser, you're going to use the search bar. Just type in the app you want and put an APK behind the name. So for instance, I'm just going to use a VLC app. VLC, and then I'll end it with APK. You can end it with APK download, but I think VLC APK is good. Now, when I have that in, I'll just look at the links that pop up. So these are the different suggested links on where to download the app in terms of the site. So I'm going to use this one for Malavida. I'll just come here and click on this link. Now, this link will redirect me to the Malavida page where I can click on the download button. So VLC download button for Android is here. So I'll be downloading this to Chromecast. So clicking on that will load this final page where you find this final download button. Just click on this download button and there you go. The download should begin in a couple of seconds. Click on the download button. The browser has taken over the download and you can see the progress right on screen. So when the download is complete, I'm going to be installing this app and I'll ensure that if a message pops up, especially if this is your first time, you may see a message pop up saying something to the effect of allow unknown sources or allow installation of unknown apps. Scroll down that list and pick the browser of choice. So in my case, I'm using the browser app. I'll just click on browser app and enable it. So that will enable browser to download and install apps from unknown sources or download and install unknown apps. And when you've clicked that browser, just come on to the install button and install the app. So I'll give this a second to download and then from there we'll install it step by step. So as you can see, we're 95% done. I'm just giving it a couple of more seconds for the app to complete downloading. And I'll expect us to hop over to the installation process. So it's 96% now and climbing, 97%. At 100%, we're going to begin installing. There we go. So the app is fully installed. It's fully downloaded rather. I'll just scroll over to the app, click on this once, and it begins the install process. So remember what I spoke about a couple of seconds ago. If you find a button here saying allow unknown sources or allow unknown apps, simply toggle on the browser you're using from the list below. From there, go back once and then click on this install button. So this installs the app straight to Google TV, to the Chromecast. So make sure you have the right app downloaded. This is the same process for any other app. Just search for the app with an APK at the end and then download and install. So if you found that insightful, subscribe to the channel, like the video if you found it useful, and these steps will work with any app. Just follow through and you can see we used to download and install the app. So if that was insightful and useful, subscribe to the channel and I'll see you in the next video with content just like this.